Our main motivation is really to help youth explore different career options in an environment that also provides them the experience to explore higher education and a college campus.
And you are a 92.
We really couldn't do this without our faculty and professors and grad students that actually provide these experiences for the students. There's just so many larger pieces to this that we're so fortunate to have the support of our faculty and staff and students around campus in order to provide this for the youth that come to campus.
I think one of the most rewarding things for me is when we're sitting in the chemistry lab and students are getting excited about the lab opportunities that they have, working with oxygen and hydrogen, getting to see all the explosions. And as they walk out, they say, well, maybe chemistry isn't so bad, or I could see myself doing that, working as one of the students with those professors, or I want to work with that professor, be a student in his class. Hearing that, and then them talking about the career opportunities that they have, oh, I want to be a chemist or a microbiologist, whatever that looks like for them, is one of the most rewarding things for me.
Being part of Aggie Next Step helps them plug into a bigger network. The fact that the world is bigger, like we live in a small town, you know, having our NMSU Extension office plugged into our school really helps to open up opportunities. But on top of that, to be able to bring our kids out of our community onto a college campus, to get to meet all of these amazing people, it just shows them what they can do. One of the most amazing things is that in multiple spaces, we've been able to talk to people here at NMSU about barriers and like learning disabilities and starting school at a not traditional age, and when it was hard to read and write and language, and like the things that make college hard and the things that make getting into career spaces hard, but we were able to talk to people who overcame it and talk about, you know, how they were supported through it and stuff like that. So I think it's really cool because our kids who may not be feeling like they are set up to be successful in college, we're able to see people from a lot of different paths that have had a lot of different experiences be like where they wanted to be. I'm just really grateful for New Mexico 4-H and the way that they're really doing this school-based programming, because I know that 4-H is a club that people can get involved in, but our experience has really been amazing with the leadership and positive youth development outreach coming into the schools, because we've been able to open this up to kids that never would have been part of it. I'm just really thankful for the programming and the investment that's being made in opening up the positive youth development programming to kids in all of our school and not just kids that are privately involved in 4-H.